AI is not coming for your marketing job. It is coming for your writer's block. But there is a right way and a wrong way to use it. So today, I'm walking you through how to make AI your brilliant intern and not your brand-wrecking robot. Welcome to the Email Mavens YouTube channel, the place for winery owners and marketing pros who want to sell more wine online by sending better marketing emails. I'm Erica Walter, founder and CEO of Email Mavens. Here's the good news. When you use AI tools well, they will save you hours. They'll spark better ideas, and they can help you stay consistent. But if you just copy and paste whatever it spits out, you'll sound like every other marketer on the planet. And that is not what we need right now. We need real human marketing. Let's start with what you should be doing. Here's do number one. Use AI to brainstorm and research. When you're stuck on ideas, AI is incredible for brainstorming. Try this prompt. Give me 5 email campaign ideas for a winery that wants to boost tasting room traffic this spring. It's a fast way to get unstuck, and then you edit, refine, and put your spin on it. Here's your next do. Use tools that elevate your copy. I love using subjectline.com to pressure test my subject lines. And next, I'm gonna show you how. Okay, so we're gonna test this. Our most requested Cabernet is finally back. So let me type this in and evaluate. It's gonna do its little magic, evaluating situation. Ooh, 66 out of 100, not great. So they're like, you wanna try that again? Didn't really love this, but look, there's all these it needs some subtle urgency. We're using our instead of your. So let's try your most requested Cabernet back for a limited time. Now let's see what comes up. 100 points! Booyah, I was not expecting to score perfectly, but that is AI helping you refine your copy without writing it for you. Let AI be your co-editor. Next, build a saved GPT for your brand. In ChatGPT, you can create a custom GPT for your winery. All you need to do is add your email program value statement, copy and paste in your brand story, your tone and voice, and your specific goals for email marketing. Then, when you say, help me draft a club renewal email, it already knows your tone. It's like training a junior copywriter without the payroll. Here's another do. Do use AI to summarize and analyze. Upload your campaign report or paste in metrics and ask, summarize trends and what to test next. It won't replace your brain, but it helps you spot patterns faster. Next, explore ESP-built tools. Platforms like Klaviyo and MailChimp now have built-in AI for subject line enhancements, send times, even visuals. Now, they're getting smarter, but don't trust them blindly. Always test against your own instincts. All right, now it's time for the danger zone, the don'ts. Don't copy and paste without editing. Your audience can smell robotic copy a mile away, okay? Don't do it. Don't forget to fact check. AI can make up details faster than I can pour a second glass of Gloria Ferrer bubbles, which is pretty fast. Double check everything. Next, Don't let AI write like a robot. Train it with your voice, your humor, and your humanity. And if they don't replicate it, make sure you edit it to add that back in. This one is a big one. Do not paste private customer data into public tools. Keep sensitive information in your CRM and not in ChatGPT. Okay, so let's put this all together. AI helped me test my subject line in like 30 seconds, gave me campaign ideas in under a minute, and saved my brain power for the part that only I can do, the story. That's the balance. Use AI to do the heavy lifting, then bring your human flavor. So, what's your favorite way to use AI right now? Drop a note in the comments if you've tried a new tool lately and tell me what surprised you. And if you want more ways to automate smart without losing your voice, you gotta join us in Mavens On Demand, where we mix strategy, creativity, and just the right amount of AI magic. Here is what to do with what you know now. Use AI for brainstorming, editing, and testing, not replacing. Always review and refine outputs for tone and accuracy. Test subject lines with tools like subjectline.com. Protect your data and keep your empathy. Remember, AI is your intern. You're still the winemaker. That's it for this week. So go out, try a couple of AI tools, and until next time, keep pressing send on your next best email.
Costs extra for me to do visual effects and change your outfit in post.
It's not a possibility. Okay. I'm Erica Walter, founder and CEO of Email Maven. And Email Maven, just the one.
Just the one.
Let's start with what you should be doing when it comes to AI.
Let's do that line again.
I delivered it exactly the way I wanted to, JD. Which line? Let's start with what you should be doing.
Yeah, I think so.
Let's start with what you should be doing. Do number 2.